In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix resizing worksheets in Tableau dashboards. If you've ever struggled with getting your Tableau dashboards to look just right on different screens, this guide is for you. First, let's get started by launching the Tableau app. Once you have Tableau open, access your worksheet. This step is crucial as it lays the foundation for making the necessary adjustments to your dashboards. After you've accessed your worksheet, navigate directly to your dashboard. Here's where the magic happens. This is where we will make the essential tweaks to resolve any unwanted resizing issues. To address the resizing challenge in your Tableau dashboards, you'll want to set the dashboard size to automatic or fit to story. This step is vital because it determines how your dashboard adapts to different screen sizes or specific story points. Let's break down what these options mean so you can choose the one that fits your needs best. Selecting automatic allows your dashboard to adjust automatically based on the user's screen size. This can be incredibly helpful to eliminate those pesky scroll bars and ensure that your content fits perfectly without you needing to manually resize the elements. It's a perfect choice if your audience is using a variety of devices and screen sizes to view the dashboard. Alternatively, if you're incorporating your dashboard into a Tableau story, setting it to fit to story ensures that each dashboard fits snugly into the story point's dimensions. It helps maintain a consistent and polished look across your entire presentation, enhancing the storytelling aspect of your data. Now, if neither of these settings applies to your situation, or if you have specific dimension requirements, you might opt for the fixed size option. This allows you to set an exact size for your dashboard, giving you complete control over the dimensions. If you go for this option, make sure to adjust the worksheet's fit to match these constraints. Speaking of worksheet fit, you might also need to tweak this by setting it to entire view. This can help make sure that each element within your worksheet is displayed completely on the dashboard. Even after adjusting these settings, if you find that individual worksheets are still not behaving as expected, a quick fix can be toggling the fit settings. Sometimes setting the fit to standard first, then back to entire view, can resolve persistent resizing issues. This little trick can refresh the view and align everything properly. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Tableau dashboards are clean, navigable, and visually appealing across all devices. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you create beautiful, user-friendly Tableau dashboards. See you next time.